Howdy folks, it's Handsome. Today we have a new camera, R5 Mark II. This may be the first R5 Mark II video. I honestly don't know. But before we get into all of this, hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment, share. So this R5 got sent back to us from a customer saying it is getting the Error 60. I've dealt with the Error 60 on R5s, R6s, and they've just been an array of things. One time an R5 had an Error 60 and it was a bad LCD screen. Nonetheless, it is an R5 Mark II and we get to see it naked. See, I mean, completely top cover, bottom cover off, back cover off. Look at that viewfinder. Man, this is a pretty amazing camera apparently. Let's see if we can get it to throw an error code. Restricted due to incompatible battery. Okay. Well, not gonna keep wasting time because I want to see what's inside of this camera. I did not get it to throw an Error 60. This customer also is a little cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, might I say. Hopefully she is actually watching. That'd be funny. Alright, forget about the Error 60. We didn't get the Error 60 to be thrown, but we are still gonna take it apart. I want to see what's inside of the R5 Mark II. I have looked at no diagrams. I've never taken this camera apart. We're gonna full send it. I don't know if that's still a thing. Still no screws in here. Always check there. Kind of scarred. Alright, wasting time. Battery. Let's go. I love starting with viewfinders. Actually, we are going to close this. I'm gonna hate that in post, but it's okay. It's alright. We gonna see you naked tonight. Okay. Pause. This is all very interesting. This is a new viewfinder for the R series for sure. Okay. It's cool. I don't need no water, no way. I wish I had an assistant. I love the build of the original R5, so hopefully Canon doesn't disappoint me. In the grand scheme of things, I'm nobody, but I do probably have the ability to influence consumers with my opinion. So I can affect a couple thousand maybe. Ooh, I like. Alright, see, you see the bracket there? Okay, I was right about that. You're gonna go on the outside of there. Okie dokie. There used to, in the R5, there were some screws here. Bro. Good sound effects. Can't get those wrong, I don't think. Yeah, I think those have to come off, buddy. Whoa. definitely has to come off. I felt the weight off of my shoulders. Look at that spacer. Okay, okay. Ooh, come off. Most definitely. Those are pretty long screws. Buckaroo. Alright, so you got new stuff. Boom, boom, boom. We're going to put some pressure right here. Hopefully you can see. And the masterpiece revealed, dudes and dudettes. Whoa. Oh, mini PCB right here. Dang, look at this viewfinder. What? Straight glass. We're gonna take this viewfinder off. Alright, let's see what we got here. It's gonna be a pain getting back in. So this is really cool. Don't break your viewfinder on the R5 Mark II. I'm just saying. I'd like to investigate, please. Don't mind if I do. Yes! Yes! Okay, huge thing for repair techs. Look, hey, I broke my HDMI port. This is one of the most common ports broken, mainly video world, because you're running it to an external monitor. That's cool, man. Canon, always innovating. I appreciate that, you know. This is a work of art. It is. Let's put back the HDMI. I really love that they did the HDMI as a separate component with its own board. So yeah, I could order this, just that part from Canon, throw it in, boom, bam, Bob's your uncle. Hopefully it's already programmed. It may not be, then you just have to program it. Let's go ahead and throw this viewfinder back. Let me see something. This is going to be a pain, I think. Let's see if I can tilt it so y'all can see my agony. That wasn't too bad. Let's make sure all of our flex cables are good, that we took apart. We're good. Okay. Remember these little spacer things. Boom. Remember, this screw goes right here for that arm, for that LCD. No screw left behind, remember? I didn't do tools of the day. I'm fired. No screw left behind. It was fun taking apart the R5 Mark II with y'all. Beautiful camera. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if you want to see more of the R5 Mark II, if you'd like to see the sensor, the main board taken out. Let me know what y'all think. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Holla at your boy. Y'all know the drill. Peace! I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no